Humans need energy for everyday things, such as ruining science experiments, getting crunk, and stealing your man. But how do we get that energy? Through food, of course. Remember that the process of turning sugar into energy takes several steps. Today we are going to talk about the very last step. It uses a machine called ATP Synthase. This is where the ATP is actually made. What does ATP synthase look like? It's kind of like a tulip in a can. The flower has 6 parts, and this is called the F1 region. It's attached to a stem and a can-looking part. That's called the F0 region. ATP synthase pumps protons across the inside of the mitochondrial membrane, which enables ADP and phosphate to combine, making ATP. This gives us energy to survive. The F0 domain acts like a rotor and pumps protons across the membrane. This causes a proton imbalance. The protons are then forced back across the membrane. This process provides the energy to combine ADP and phosphate to make our final product, ATP. When ATP synthase doesn't work, we become very weak because we don't have enough energy to function. The human body can try and make more ATP through other pathways, but these pathways do not produce as much ATP as ATP synthase. ATP synthase inhibition can cause neurodegenerative disorders such as Leigh and Knapp syndromes. They result from depletion in oxygen consumption from having a non-functional ATP synthase that can lead to a loss of motor function and mental capacities.